So this is SD8. Got those 3 buses. I think the first 2 buses are for the school, and I think it's only this one that they use right now. So we still have that one is the new canteen. They sell food out of there. This is the campus, guys. Never. And there's the office. Oh, let's go over here. I know a lot of us have good memories on this. And that's still the restroom. I think the restroom, they're planning to move it between the high school building and the elementary building. And this is the playground. Kodima, Kodima. And then more of the elementary. We're gonna go to the back. Let's go check out the gym. This is where they're planning to put the restroom, which is perfect because it can be accessible to them and the rest of the students. And so they fenced this. You can see. Let's move back a little bit. So that's the fence, and this is the back of this new building they have. Let's view it right there. This is still the library. Oh, look at that. And this is the gym. Let's go around this way. So it's nice that they've expanded. Hello. Hi Matt, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Yeah, not too bad. So this is the gym. So look at that, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. And there's the elementary. So before we used to play under the heat. Now these students are very fortunate. They've got a gym that they can play, and it's nice that it's fresh air flowing in and out of there. You can see they're just sitting around right now. chilling after school. It's just amazing.